So we back with some more details. Both of these vehicles we're doing today are both in and outs. As you see, to me it's not that dirty. Kind of just this area a little dusty up here in the front. It's gonna be easy clean. They have a baby seat, but you can see like it's not really a lot of just dirt on that ground. And then in this vehicle over here, this one probably gonna be the hardest one, because you can see like he has a lot of dirt in that area too. So there's gonna be some good vacuuming going on. Probably got to pull the drill gun out. But other than that, man, these some basic in and outs, not too bad. So you know we always gonna start off with the rims first and work our way into the interior. I didn't know that wind was gonna be like that. Nice little wipe down. You can tell they some Georgia Bulldog fans. A little dirty for real. Get that little chrome out right there. If I'm gonna hit it with the back end. All right, so now this vehicle, as you can tell, the rims are a little bit bad, but we're gonna get them bad boys right, man. We're gonna get them bad boys looking amazing. Especially the ones in like the back. Them bad boys are the worst. Look at that back, look at that rim now. Bad boy shining. All that black stuff, man. A lot of pins. You got a dog for sure. Jordan's is trash, bro. Put all these pins up here up front for him, just in case he need to write something. Great sectional peak. Up there. 1, 2. Alright, so we all done with this vehicle. Nothing too much, just an interior clean, straight with some good deodorizer and everything good. This bitch, she ready to go.
Oh, she's ready to go?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I put that right there because it kept blowing from the trash. Yeah, the wind kept blowing it around. All right, man, so we all done. As you can see, he had a lot of pins. Nothing too much in the backside of this vehicle, but it smells good, looks good. He was like, you got us right. You can see it, man. Knock both of these vehicles out. We all done here. Earl's detailing out, baby. Peace.